This is Tatum Kuntz
and Liam Perkins with EagleAir Radio. Thanks for tuning in for today's podcast.
Humans use motion in their everyday life. Most people use it without thinking about it, but there is more to motion than most people think. On the morning of October 18th, honors physical science and physics students got to leave school for the day for Physics of Fun to teach Mathews students about the importance of motion.
Physics of Fun is a program to teach Mathews students 2nd and 4th grade about motion and how it contributes to everyday life. And basically we had to do it through motion sensors and through giving them hands-on experiences, things with swings and stuff like that, so that they could learn it firsthand and not have to learn it from a book, and so we try to make it more fun.
So Liam, how was Physics of Fun?
Physics of Fun was pretty fun, actually. They went pretty smooth, and we had really little to no problems at all. We as the students had to go into Mrs. Shepard's room for first hour rather than going to a regular first hour, and we basically congregated in this little area for a little bit, and she gave us our roles, the equipment that we needed, like our motion sensors or the laptops that we were going to use, and then these papers designating where we were going to go. And basically after we all got settled and she had told us what we were doing, we grabbed stools and everything and we walked out the door and we walked all the way to Mathews. And we all about our roles, we all set up in this designated areas. Some people had swings where they would show the motion. If you were swinging, it would show motion. Or we had a game, that was my role, where we had a motion sensor and these kids had a box and you had to try to match the line that showed on the screen of the laptop.
And how did the kids react?
The kids, 2nd graders, really liked it. They were really sweet and nice, and the 4th graders were really not nice and jerks about it, and they thought that they ruled the world, and so it was pretty hard to do a fun motion game with them whenever they were being that way, but we got through it. It was pretty good.
So describe to me the type of games you played.
So the games that we played, basically, of course, there was the motion sensor game that I was in charge of, and that's whenever the kids had to hold the box and they would walk and try to match the line of motion that was on the screen. And after we were done in my group, we played Simon Says, because we were all done and we wanted the kids to have fun. I haven't played Simon Says in forever, and I thought it'd been awesome. So we played Simon Says with the kids.
So Liam, your day sounded like it was really fun. Did you guys eat anything?
Yeah, we had some pizza for lunch, and we had it with the kids, actually. We would walk into the lunchroom with the kids, and we either sat with the kids or we sat at a big table surrounded by kids. And some kids were pretty funny and some were really rude, but it was really fun to eat pizza. We also got seconds, and I thought that we can get 2 pizzas for seconds, but apparently we're only supposed to get 1, so I ate too much.
Describe to me the slam poetry group.
So basically, slam poetry group, whenever we had a break between the 2nd and the 4th graders before we ate, a group of my friends and I went over to this monkey bar area, and it had a whole bunch of bars everywhere, basically made a box. And basically we just were messing around, of course, because we had nothing else to do. We were waiting to eat. We were all hungry teenagers, so what do you think we're gonna do? And basically we all took out our phones, and we had made poems the day before, odes is what they were called, and we basically got into the center if we were going to say them. We either rapped them, some people rapped them, we made beats for them and stuff.
That's funny.
I had to go into the center and pull the back of my shirt over my head, and hunch over my back and read my ode like a creepy wizard dude or something. It was pretty fun.
That sounds like fun.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I enjoyed hearing your story today. Thanks, Liam Perkins, for speaking today.
Yeah, no problem. I had fun myself.
And this is Tatum Kuntz
And Liam Perkins.
signing off for EagleAir Radio.
Music used in this podcast goes to freesound.org.